What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. And as the thumbnail suggests, no, it's a heartbreak in MOA. We could have won with that Dwight Ramos 3, pero it was too far. Pero my goodness, what a game, no? I think sa dalawang teams na kakalabanin natin, New Zealand and Australia, this looked like prior to seeing how Australia fared today, no, against Guam. Yung New Zealand yung sinasabi natin na not just us, also people who have been discussing on TV na ito yung game na most likely tayo to win. If we're gonna get one, it's most likely we're gonna get it against New Zealand, who didn't have their main stars, no? In sina Isaiah Leafa,
Wonder.
sina
The Webster
yes,
brothers.
sina the Webster brothers and so on, the guys that
King.
tortured us
Oh.
in Mojave King dun sa mga past windows. But it was an ugly game, no? It was a game wherein we saw na our offense wasn't clicking. JB looked human in the Gilas jersey, I think for the first time. He looked human. He looked winded,
Bro,
no?
he
And
didn't.
ang ganda ng game plan. Ang ganda ng game plan sa akin ng New Zealand. He was talagang the worst game you have
Yeah.
seen, Justin Brownlee.
Yeah. To be fair, man, when we did our preview, we said na this is actually the game where JB might have a hard time kasi New Zealand has the bodies who can actually, alam mo yung lima yung pwedeng magbantay sa kanya. May Ngatay, may Terangi, may
Si Brit
Darling,
lang ata hindi pwede.
Davis.
Si Brit lang
Exactly.
yung ano eh.
Ang daming pwedeng magbantay sa kanya. But even with that being the case, brother, 4 points is uh
Unacceptable.
I know what JB's done for the country, bro, in terms of basketball. I know what he's done for the country in terms.
Bayani eh, no?
Di naman siya
May
nagpasa Rizal
bayan.
or whatever, man. Like, I know what he's done for the country in terms of basketball, man. But
Akala
then
mo binaril ah.
he didn't write No Limit Angel or whatever, bro. He just good. He
Ah,
played
okay,
basketball.
okay.
Like, but man, this was just not the game you in a game you lost by 3 points talaga. You had the worst performance we've ever seen from JB in a Gilas uniform. The timing
Yeah,
wasn't
yeah.
great.
Probably in the Philippines ever.
His worst performance as a Filipino anything
As someone who
like
plays in the
uniform.
Philippines, di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, probably even
Yeah.
in the PBA.
Yeah, probably his worst performance yet, man. And he just he looked a little out of sorts, I would say. Um, I think maybe the physicality got to him. I think, di ba, Graham, dati pa, kahit nung Hinebra pa siya, when he comes back to Hinebra, the issue has always been, pag pinisikal mo si JB, he might lose his rhythm a bit, di ba? It's always been yun yung scouting report lagi sa kanya, na pag pinisikal mo si JB, most of the time, pag sa PBA, di siya matitigil, pero he'll get a little off kilter. And that's what New Zealand did, dude. It kind of hurts the 4 points, man. But aside from that, we'll talk about the pros later. But
Yeah.
but yeah, those the 4 point performance kind of hurts a lot.
Hindi tayo sanay
Yeah.
na makita yung ganun, no? Hindi tayo sanay.
Dude, you said that, no? It's the first time we've seen him look human. Dude, it's the first time we've seen him play bad. It's the first time he didn't even feel human at this point. It just felt like, alam mo yung
It's really bad.
have you played NBA 2K, my career with sa Rec League, sa Rec, tapos your teammates leave tas may AI user kang teammate? Like at some
Oh,
point it felt like that where it just didn't look great, man. And I hope makakabawi siya against Australia. Cause we've seen it today. Australia did not dominate Guam as much as we thought that they should have.
I was expecting a 30-point win nga eh. Pero wow, di ba?
Yeah. Apparently, Guam has a new player. I saw it in the stats.
Really good. Was he good?
Let me check.
Well, let me check.
I saw it in the stats kanina. What's his name? Freeman?
Si Free, di ako sure.
DJ Freeman. I know he wasn't there last window eh. But yeah, anyway, Graham, go ahead. You can talk about your GOAT.
Yeah, I mean, no excuses, man. I ain't the guy who, covers up for bad outings by people. So it was really him. Siya talaga, di ba? A couple of
Oh,
points, a couple of baskets, really, literally could have won us the game. Pero, you know, it is what it is, man. I mean, yung masakit kasi dito is this is the game that we should have won. Kasi nga, parang team B or team C lang nila to.
They barely
yeah.
even played
Compared,
well, bro. They
yeah, di ba? It
you
was an
can
ugly game.
they only won by 3 in a game where we played pretty bad also.
Yeah,
Like,
it was an ugly game. The fourth quarter lang yung parang talagang worth scalper money. Pero other than the CJ Perez explosion in the first quarter, parang medyo matamlay talaga. But man, 4 points is bad. It really is bad. I remember Kobe Bryant in Game 7 against the Celtics in 2010 shot 6 of 24. But at least he had
They
23
won.
points and 15 rebounds.
But
And
they
they won.
won. And
And they won.
makakalimutan mo yun eh. If
wait,
you
dude,
win.
Yeah, yun.
I don't know if I read it correctly, but was it 4 points and 4 turnovers?
He had 4
I'm checking the
points.
stats
He
now. I have the
had
stats right
4
now.
turnovers. And he was
6
plus 4.
rebounds.
He was plus 4 on the box, in the plus
Oh,
minus.
I'm not talking plus minus, bro.
Uh,
We
okay.
all know.
But
Come on.
yeah. But brother, is it his age showing? Probably. We'll see the Australia game if that's true. Because if it is true, it's not only a Gilas problem, it's a Ginebra problem because the PBA starts in a week and a half. Pero
Kaya na may
or probably
ball.
2 weeks. Oo, na may ball, di ba? But if it's just an aberration na he's probably due for a bad game kasi he's been saving our ass. The Latvia game, the China game, the Iran
All
game.
right.
Di ba?
Alright.
He's probably due for a bad game, for all we know.
Alright.
Pero bro, you gotta give credit to the guys who stepped up. Juan Gomez de Leano.
Oh,
If
thank the
you're
Lord,
box
brother.
score watching, if you're box score watching, minus 16 looks bad, but he was saving us in the second half. Di ba yung mga floater
Mga
ni
timely
Juan?
shots nga niya.
Floater,
Super
3
timely.
floaters. Bro,
Right?
he was there. Man, I love it. Juan, I'm so glad you're finally in a Gilas jersey again, man. Not
Yeah.
even just him, brother. QMB, I think,
Sarap man. Sarap ni
man.
Kirby, bro.
Oh. Is it the
Oh, oh.
ponytail? Is it the
Must be the
Oh.
mustache, the
It's
Berto
it's the beard.
mustache.
It's the beard.
Yeah, the
Halatang ano
Robert
yung number
Bollick.
1 sa face card. He got that Robert Bollick going on.
Alright,
With long hair.
But yeah, man, what is called for Q and Juan, if you want to look at positives, there are 3 I think you can really give Q, Juan, and AJ.
AJ.
I think AJ. Dwight, we expect this from Dwight, although there are moments.
Yeah.
At least these 3, it looked good, man. Juan looks good in a Gilas jersey. He looks like he can run an offense. Did he play more than Chris? Right, he did, diba? Did Chris play?
He did.
No, Chris played less than 2 minutes.
Yeah,
1 minute and 55 for Chris Newsom.
that's a bit of a surprise to me. I'm not gonna lie. I think we barely even saw KQ also and Carl. Not my
Alat. Yeah.
bro, not my
Ang
favorite.
ganda kasi ng
rotation.
laro ni ano. Ang ganda rin kasi ng laro ni CJ. Kaya parang wala kang
Yeah, you
way
can't be mad at it.
ipasok
I'll say
si Chris
this, though.
Newsom.
I will say this though. This is one of the problems I think with our young stars going abroad. Kasi obviously in that last play where not last play, second to the last play, when Calvin Oftana shot the 3 to try and cut it down to 1.
Mhm.
In many other scenarios, I believe that ball goes to Kevin Kiambao. Or in Korea, that ball goes to Kevin Kiambao. Like if Goyang needs a shot, I think that ball is going to Kevin Kiambao. This is I
Yeah.
think one of the problems kasi Coach Tim maybe doesn't see how good these guys are with their Korean teams. Kasi Calvin, we've documented the Calvin struggles in Aguilas jersey, right? It's a tale as old as time, dude. Na put on the Gilas jersey for Calvin, the shooting does not go amazingly. I thought maybe KQ should have been given more opportunity. Dude, the last time we saw KQ like, against Saudi Arabia, was it against Saudi? Where
Yeah, yung
Iraq?
kay the Al-Marwani. Kila
Yeah, yeah.
Al-Marwani.
Dude, he was hitting threes left and right, man. And then in this one, I don't have the stats with me. I'm so sorry. How many minutes did KQ play?
I'm
Bro,
checking right now.
9 minutes,
9 minutes.
47
He was 1 for
seconds.
5.
And man, yung masakit dun, wala siya sa loob
2
nung
fouls lang.
play na sinasabi mo.
That's my point.
Mario.
That's my point. In another scenario, is Calvin getting the ball or is Kevin getting that ball?
I'd rather have KQ get the ball, brother.
Right, that's what I'm saying, man. I respect Calvin. I know why Coach Tim drew it up for him. Kasi if he was wearing a TNT jersey and he was going up against Ginebra, that was going in. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But he wasn't wearing that right now. And that's just the realities. But going back to the positives, dude, Juan was great. I'm excited to see Juan more in the future. Thank God, by the way, he was in the final roster. We weren't able to record, di ba, yung final roster episode.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were too busy. So
I would have been mad. I would have been mad kung hindi kasama si Juan and I saw another name. Get in the roster. Because that's the best roster I think that we can send. But bro, yung final play na you're right, no, wala si KQ. I get it that Calvin hit a 3, but he was not shooting well din naman in this game. He was, what was it? 1 of 5. 1 of 5 from 3. Although he was there when
wide
we were
open yung
making the
ibang
run.
threes. Most were wide open, diba?
Yeah. But yeah, it's more of imposible kasi bro na hindi familiar si Coach Tim na parang just because I don't see KQ on a regular basis hindi ko siya gagamitin because remember against Saudi he was the one bringing the ball diba after JB tied the game nung overtime siya na yung nagmando
Yeah.
So it's not unfamiliarity. I don't understand why is that pero bro the broad people really played well. Terra Firma, do you want to do a redraft and choose Juan Gomez Deliano instead?
Hey man, we were telling everybody, bro.
Graham's not letting them go.
We were telling every single soul on earth, man.
Oh my God.
I don't care if he's 8 feet tall, bro. Juan Gomez is available.
What are we doing with our lives, Terra Firma? But I'd say this, bro. The Ginebra boys, they let me down. The only Ginebra player that kind of made me smile, and he's a future Ginebra player, not current, is QMB. Because man, grabe talaga si QMB
I like
kanina.
you, bro.
He's the future of the hindi yan papaglal.
Hindi ba?
He's not gonna play with Ginebra, bro. Hindi yan babalik.
Okay.
He's not gonna play in the PBA.
Bro,
He rather retire
he's in Japan.
than play in the PBA. Q? Yeah, exactly. Parang he rather blows out his knee in Japan than play here.
Dude, you
Pero
have a better chance.
kudos to Q. Kudos to Q.
You have a
Ganda ng
better
hero
chance with Mike, though. I'm just saying, Graham. You have a better chance with Mike.
Yeah. But we do. We will get Mike. That's for sure. But man, whatever Q was asking, sulit.
I would say for this window, sulit.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, it's hard
Sobrang
to
sulit
contain
talaga.
a Harrison, a Menenga. It's hard to contain guys like that. Those are those are one of the few Team A members ng New Zealand na natira dun. And he played them.
And they're good. They're legit. They're legit rotation
They're
players.
legit.
Like kapag pinasok mo si Mojave King, pinasok mo yung they're still gonna play.
Yeah, Menenga and Harrison still get minutes, and he held his own, man. Full respect to that. And the Lord, I thought, was shining down upon us when he hit that corner jumper. I was like, wait a
Although
minute.
stepping
By the
lang.
way.
Huh? Yeah, it was still.
Which was a 2. Yeah.
Yeah, but still, he
First
still
of
made
all,
it.
Since when did QMB have a jump shot?
UP, he had sometimes he shot like 1-3 a game with UP. He would let it fly for 2 attempts, 1 to 2 a game. So I was like, okay.
I'll be so real with you. When he shot that ball, I turned off the TV for a bit. I was like, that did not go in. What the hell na? I was like,
Mas bigla, counted.
Then I looked at the score on my phone and it went Quentin
so
William Brown
depressing?
jump shot. I was like, oh shit.
Bro, what's so depressing was AJ Edu thought he can replicate.
Yun yung the next possession si AJ Edu.
Try this.
Putik, ako rin.
Sabi ni AJ, kaya ko rin yun, boy.
Kaya ko rin yan, boy.
I'm not mad at AJ, dude. Kasi I remember,
Hindi, wala na. He did well sa defense.
Against Saudi din yun, di ba? When he made the three-pointer.
Oh yeah, against Saudi.
Against Saudi din yun eh. I'm not, dude, let him, I don't care anymore, man. As long as it ain't you know who taking the jumpers. But I think one thing we did not discuss, and we have to, it kind of needs to be discussed talaga. Let's talk about Junmar Fajardo, bro.
Yeah, that's one of my pointers. Go ahead, bro.
Oh, we're gonna go there.
Let's talk about
Where's
Junmar.
yours?
Brother, Philippine basketball GOAT, best Dota player, ano ba siya? Dota ML? I forgot what he was.
Both. I think he plays both.
Dota 2.
Best
Dota
Dota 2 PBA player alive. Will go down with probably 20 MVPs. I don't know. But man, oh man, in the international stage, my goodness. You know, we talk a lot about Calvin Oftana in a TNT jersey. Let's talk about Junmar Fajardo in an SMB jersey, brother. It's the same thing. Obviously we know he's good, and you can't not keep him in a lineup. Kasi Junmar Fajardo pa
Yeah,
rin.
the best player in the Philippines. You gotta put him.
It's like against teams like Guam, Guam, Chinese Taipei, Hong Kong, Iran, Iraq. Yun, I think Junmar is still serviceable. But against teams like New Zealand, Australia, Japan, whatever, it
China.
gets difficult talaga.
Yeah, you're right, bro. I mean, he's barely usable in these games. And he never was kahit nung prime niya, never siya yung naging, I think the system has to revolve around Junmar. Siguro pag si Coach Leo yung coach ng Gilas, and Junmar is in the roster, maybe Junmar can be that guy. Pero in a quick pace game like this, yung international basketball, it just doesn't suit him. And it's not a knock on Junmar kasi nga he's the GOAT in the PBA. Excuse me. And it's fine, di ba? It's fine if it doesn't translate overseas. Was Tim Duncan a very good player for the US? Di ba? Hindi naman siya laging kasama sa national team roster, di ba? And it's fine. It's ganun talaga. But to be a liability there, to be minus 20, to not even touch the floor for 10 minutes, it's hard. In the GOATs of the PBA, the GOAT player and the GOAT coach, not a very good time for those two people. Coach Tim, some decisions that, we can say na questionable, but it's him, di ba? We cannot question Coach Tim. All we're saying is maybe better decisions could have been made. We're just yapping that maybe better decisions could have been made, but he probably did the best. He probably gave us the best game plan kasi it's Coach Tim. He only lost by 3 in a game that we did not really play well. But all I'm saying is we really could have won this game if the GOAT import, the GOAT local player, the GOAT coach made a couple of adjustments.
By the way, we have a group chat kasi obviously, right? The three of us. Actually, we have a group chat with our mods.
Yeah. With our mods.
Yeah,
It's
before
fun.
the
Also yung fun yung
fourth
mods.
quarter. Before the fourth quarter, if I remember it correctly, somebody said, we're entering Justin Brownlee time, minimum 8 points.
Sana.
And then I said, oh, so he's gonna have 10. And he said, bro, minimum. And he ended with 4. Bro, like, I'm not gonna say who said it.
Lahat tayo mali.
I'm not gonna say who said it, man. I'm not gonna say who said it, but and somebody did. Our mods know who
Stay
said
on
it.
that side.
I'm not gonna have to repeat
Stay
it.
on that side. Stay on that side, man. Stay on that side.
But yeah, dude, honestly, can't do anything about it. We took the loss. That's life. We can't do much.
It happens.
It happens, dude. Maybe we underrated this New Zealand team a bit. That McNutt.
We really
McNutt ba
did.
yun?
Alex Cabagnot, Alex McNutt.
Alex
Sounds the same
Cabagnot.
thing.
Alex
Si
Cabagnot.
Alex Cabagnot.
Alex McNutt.
Yeah,
Alex McNutt.
he's a shooter, dude. We didn't know that, or I didn't know that specifically. Ruben Terangi in his national team, I think debut or maybe second or third time had the game-winning play, I would say, in the offensive rebound, which hurt, by the way. That hurt so much. That was a stop. That was already a stop. Get the rebound, go down. I'd rather you miss a shot.
Ruben Terangi is like Mikal Bridges, no? You know how Mikal Bridges just does the little things.
OG Anunoby. I'd give you
OG, yeah,
Anunoby.
same, yeah, OG. Parang
OG
OG, Anunoby Rowe in New York, to si Terangi.
Mario,
Not saying it's the
Mario,
same level, pero
yeah, I get you. Mario, who did not box out in that rebound play?
I'm gonna talk about it. I ain't gonna tell
It's
you
the
who did
usual
box out, but
suspect. It's the
somebody did
usual
box out,
suspect,
bro.
man. It's the
Man, you
usual.
know what I mean? Like some people just didn't box out, my guy. But it happens. What can we do? Yeah. Again, a few plays here, a few plays there. This video would be happier, you know, like this video would we'd be jumping for joy and wow, a bad game from JB, yet we were still able to do this and that. But it just didn't work out. I don't know what happened to Graham, by the way. Graham, did you fall asleep mid video, or are you lagging right now?
I am lagging.
Okay, but yeah, that's all it was, man. Nothing to be too mad about. I mean, you can be mad about it, but you have Australia in how many days? 4?
Three,
3
4?
days? Yeah, something like that.
sa
No,
March
4.
1,
3
March
days.
1.
3 days. Sunday.
You have Australia in 3 days. Probably not gonna win, but you never know what could happen, right? This is not the strongest Australia lineup either, so yeah, all hope for the best. Maybe JB left everything for the second game. You know, maybe he'll drop 60 on that one, and we can finally say hooray or whatever. But that's all. It's fine. Dude, Graham's lags
Yeah,
are
man.
hilarious because look at how he stops. Like, why is
Yeah, kasi kala ko ako yung lag, si Graham pala yun. He's moving na, he's
No,
moving
no,
na.
no. That's me. That's me.
Are you in
I
Taiwan
switched
ba?
to the date. Yeah,
No,
I'm
he's
in
home.
Taiwan. No, I'm
That's
in
the
Taiwan.
background. Okay.
Yeah,
You're still in
yeah.
Taiwan.
Man,
Okay, pala.
I'm still in Taiwan. I go home on Sunday. Bro, you mentioned Australia. This is not their best lineup. This is not New Zealand's best lineup. Diba?
Yeah, but
And we still can't beat them.
this was not the best Justin Brownlee either, man. I'm telling you, dude. Here's the thing.
Yeah. You know what? Yeah,
Like,
you're right. We have a
like,
chance.
I won't say that we don't have a chance. Obviously, we expect to lose that. Pero, man, again, we'd be singing a different song if JB had 6 more points. You know what I mean?
Actually,
Like,
yeah.
we'd
Kahit
be
12
sing-
nga lang eh. 12 to
Yeah.
14. Okay na yun.
Exactly. This is just a really, really bad game at a really bad time. But what can you do? Hopefully, he makes up for it on Sunday. That's all.
Hey, I have a question. When is it time to bring in Javi GDL on the squad? Try to replace Calvin Oftana muna sa next window. Give it a try. Right?
I'd
Why not
say,
try Javi?
I say, why not Arvin
Not me.
Tolentino?
Not
I
happy.
say,
Pwede rin. Pwede rin si Arvin. For
I'd
window
say
2.
Arvin.
Wala ulit si Kai eh.
Yeah.
Kai is going for that NBA dream.
Di ba di pa sure
In
yun?
July, no? In
No,
July,
I'll assume na he
Opa.
cannot play na. I'll assume he cannot play na.
Who do we play in July?
July pa to, di ba?
Summer
Who do we
League.
play?
Summer League.
No, who do
No,
we
but
play?
who do we play as a
Australia
national
and-
team?
Australia and
We're on the road na dito, di ba?
yeah. Who's
On the road na
July?
tayo. On the road.
Who are we
Okay.
playing? Anyway.
Yeah, if we, no, man, I think at this point, Calvin Oftana will still be a better player than Javi. Kasi at least Calvin is a better defender than Javi. That's something you can count on. You're right. It should be Arvin for me. Or if wounds have healed, Jamie Malonzo. But
I'll say this, brother.
Yeah.
If in a 4-month span, I'm bad at math. March, April.
Yeah, 3, 4.
3 or 4 month span, brother. Mike Phillips probably integrated already in the roster.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Hindi, Balti nga
Possibilities.
muna eh. Bago si Mike, si Balti muna.
I'm putting Mike in first before Balti, brother. I'm putting
Mike ka muna, bago
Yeah.
Balti. Walang
Yeah.
shooting si Mike ah.
I don't need Mike to have shooting, brother. I just need him to do what exactly
You
what
need
AJ
Extra possessions.
Yeah.
Okay.
I see exactly what AJ and K. Dude,
Nico,
I
it doesn't matter. Our shooters are not being utilized. Have you
Yeah.
taken a look of KQ's minutes and numbers?
Yeah.
Actually.
My other option here is, hey, dude, in 4 months' time, is Xavier Lucero maybe a local by then?
Yeah, yon.
Sana mapetish. For sure, sinubmit rin pangalan niya.
Yeah, hey, if you're petitioning Mike, you're petitioning Jamie. Another to this, dude. Kimani Ladi's gonna be a PBA player, we're assuming, because he's applying for the MPBL. He's in the MPBL. And I think that's a locals only league. So maybe he'll also gain Philippine citizenship. We could see Manny. It's so many things that could happen in 4 months. All I know is there are some for sure shoe-ins, man. I think there's Juan, has to be a shoe-in. Since there's no Kai Soto, probably QMB has to be a shoe-in. AJ Edu's a shoe-in. Dwight Ramos, Justin Brownlee probably still a shoe-in at
Hey,
that point.
no. What if in July Jordan Clarkson is fresh of a New York Knicks championship?
Well, first of all, Coach Tim will not bring a Jordan Clarkson kahit ano pang
Okay.
gawin niya, kahit mag
And
30 points pa yun sa finals.
And second of all, you said New York Knicks championship.
Two things that what?
Two things in a one sentence that are just absolute lies.
Oh yeah.
No,
Oh
Bo.
yeah.
Something went up
Oh,
when you said that.
haters.
Like,
Oh, haters. Okay, all right. Yeah.
wait,
New
wait,
York-
wait, pero Mario, let's give it to Graham. Let's give it to Graham, Mario, because Graham always goes for the favorites. The New York thing is a random ass pull.
That's a
To say
random
na-
poll, yeah. You could have said Oklahoma. You
I'm gonna
could
give
have
it to that
said
for you,
like
Graham.
Cleveland. This is actually one that is a bad take. This is
We
actually a
could, actually, hindi, pero it's a take na, nice, Graham, it's not the obvious take.
yeah. It's
yeah,
like,
yeah,
hey,
to everyone kasi was wondering, I'm a Lakers fan, I'm a Ginebra fan.
Dodgers fan, Dodgers fan, ano pa?
Yeah,
Chiefs.
Chiefs.
Yeah.
Barcelona, Real Madrid, ano?
Barcelona.
Yeah,
Real Madrid.
both of them. I also support Team
Both
USA
of them.
basketball.
Cream line.
Manchester United na rin sa England. Manchester United ka ba o Arsenal?
Alam niyo yung imagine the worst fan bases of each league. Well, not the worst, sorry. The loudest franchise fan base of each league. That's where Graham probably is, man. It's
Yeah, and two other things. I also would have voted for Vladimir Putin and Kim Jong Un if I'm a resident.
Wow.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is probably if the situation permits, Jordan Clarkson. I won't vote for those people, by the way. But Jordan Clarkson, maybe, diba? Or Benny Boatwright.
Nah, I don't think Benny's coming back anymore.
You feel like his Achilles is
Ronald.
too short ba?
Yeah, I don't.
So why did we proceed sa naturalization?
He was okay pa nun eh.
That was pre-injury?
That was pre-injury, yeah.
Pre-Achilles yun. Pre-Achilles injury niya yun. Nung
Okay.
pinetition natin siya. That was after the SMB stint.
Yeah.
Masakit.
Dude, 4 months. We still have the Australia game. We'll still talk about that. But then yun nga. Lots of things can happen by July.
Bro, give credit to New Zealand. This guy, Darling, is not my darling, but killed us.
My darling.
tonight.
Nice to know, Graham.
He killed us tonight, man.
We know he ain't yo, darling, bro.
We
know, man.
We
That's
know.
for sure. I mean, that now some people who observe yung Mother League ni Darling will say, "Oh, he's good," but I did not see that. Nobody saw that coming. Darling would have 11 points tonight.
Yeah, he was not meant to have
it was-
11 points tonight, brother.
He was the leading scorer.
Yeah, he was not.
Yeah, he
supposed to
was.
be that.
Yeah.
He was not close to being that, supposedly.
Yeah, a lot of the stars really aligned for New Zealand to win this game. A random Darling explosion tapos JB off night.
Yeah,
It's-
before
it's
we go,
just-
wherever the Gilas team is now, whichever hotel it is it the Hyatt? Is it the it could be
Okada.
Hyatt, Okada, whatever hotel you are in BGC, in MOA right now.
And-
Just one thing, change the food. Okay, don't give JB the same food you served him today.
Yeah.
You know what I
At
mean?
yung kinain niya siguro sa Starbucks, yung kaya nasira yung chan niya, yung salmon deal ba yun sa Starbucks? Yun yung
Exactly.
sumira sa chan niya sa finals eh.
And binilason siya kaya natalo ka kay RHJ. Ganun pala yun.
Sira yung salmon eh, yung salmon deal daw sa
I remember that.
Starbucks.
Bro, I was there, man.
Sabi ko, salmon
Sarap ng
deal?
talo.
Yun yung tumalo sa kanya. Pero masama talaga pag may bad stomachache. Not
Yeah,
trashing on JB on that one.
I agree. But bro, if JB, I guarantee you this, man. He scores at least 25 on Sunday.
25 against
At
the
least
Australians.
25 on Sunday.
Kamusta pala si Jericho Cruz kanina sa Australia? Check
Oh,
mo
wow,
nga.
Nico just brushed it off what I said.
Dude,
But man, I think
Hindi, kasi okay, Jericho Cruz did 9 a while ago. So baka pwede maka 25 si JB. Naka 9 si Jericho Cruz
Jericho,
versus
how is that
Australia.
related? Okay, against Australia. Okay, that
Sa
makes sense.
defense, because of the
Yeah.
defense. Baka
Yeah.
I'm playing around here. I'm playing with you, but I'm assuming naman siguro JB scores more than 10.
He scores
I'm
more
playing
than
around.
25.
yeah, if it's another single-digit performance, what happens?
I'll do the episode half naked.
Ah, shucks. JB, please,
And
10
you
points.
and you'll never know. And you'll never know what part of me is
Which
naked.
half? Which half? Which we don't know which
That's the thing. That's the surprise.
That's the thing.
So,
So
so if you're in for that kind of rodeo, better hope for a JB off night. If not, then better pray him right. But I guarantee
if we see
scores
you, if he has
25.
9 points on Sunday, that's when you arrive in the episode, you have a shirt on. We know now what's
Yeah.
happening. We know what's happening.
Yeah, and yeah.
Huwag ka tatayo, ha?
Just imagine.
Huwag ka tatayo, ha?
Diyan ka lang, basta diyan ka lang.
Just
Diyan ka lang, ha?
imagine.
Basta huwag ka tatayo, ha? Si Mario lang pwede, kami dalawa lang pwede tumayo.
Just imagine, man. I mean, I may be doing it right now for all you know.
Well,
pero,
Kung kayo ganyan, man, talo kayo, talo tayo, tapos ganyan yun.
but man, people, KQ has to play more. Like KQ has to play more, really.
Oh, yeah.
If CJ did not explode for 15, I guess we would have seen more KQ. Pero hindi naman sila magkaposisyon, di ba? Tres si KQ, di ba?
Hindi naman sila
And CJ is
magkaposisyon.
more of a 2. Okay. Yeah, so that's more reason for hindi si Brownie pala yung kaposisyon niya. Okay. I understand that. But KQ can play point kasi. The Scotty minutes can be given to KQ. Di ba? Because
Not his best
In-
performance either, by the way, but I digress.
ni
Yes,
KQ.
and they both were bad.
Both of them. Yeah, Scotty had one
bad.
free throw which barely hit the rim.
Didn't touch the ring.
Yeah. So
Hinalikan
It was really a
niya
struggle
yung
for
ring.
them.
Hinalikan niya lang yung ring. Sino yun?
yeah, barely. But yeah, I don't predict a win versus Australia because that's a tougher team. Pero and I guess the spread will be wider. Pero I think JB will have a monster night. I wish we have the IDs.
There's this guy.
Yeah.
There's this guy on in our Facebook group. Don't forget to join our Facebook group. There's this guy in our Facebook group who said Juan was gonna
Yeah.
have a good night tonight, and he was right. So whoever you are,
He was right.
yeah, brother, can you
Can you
comment?
check? You just gotta give him a shout out.
Oh yeah, I'm too tamad.
Actually, mahirap harapin yun. Ang dami ang
Dude, there were
active yung
there's too many
Facebook
comments
thread.
on that one. I think anyway. Dude,
That's the
whoever you
thread.
are, dude, can you comment something on for the Australia thread that everybody's gonna have a good night? Maybe you're the one we need in this scenario. But yeah, that's all I gotta say. Good effort nonetheless. What can we do? That's life. We'll try and get it back.
Yeah, we will for sure. It's just ang hirap lang itulog tonight, but that's life. I mean, sanay nga tayo matalo sa New Zealand before.
Yeah.
But yeah, dati nga tambak tayo mga 20, di ba? So, but they did send din naman yung best team nila. But we'll bounce back. Can't guarantee it, but I can guarantee a JB explosion. Not stomach explosion, but basketball game explosion.
You're so stupid, dude.
You know what I mean?
You're so stupid. Yeah, that's fine, dude.
Okay. Alright.
Here's the thing, bro. The reason I'm pulling for that, bro, pag struggle pa rin siya against Australia, Coach Tim,
Let's
better
look
call
around
another
now.
import from the US.
Let's look around
Let's
now.
look around now. Yeah.
Let's look around
George King,
now.
are you available?
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. King, are you free?
Let's look around now.
Mr. King, Mr. George.
King, hello.
Mr. George King, are you
Hello.
free? Cam Thomas,
you hear
Cam
me?
Thomas, are you free?
Can you hear
Cam
me?
Thomas. Cam
Dude, this
Thomas.
guy has a
Ano
thing
natin
for Cam
triangle?
Thomas, man.
Kyle Kuzma din.
No, Kyle Kuzma, no, but
Kyle
Cam
Kuzma
Thomas,
was me,
Cam-
dude. Dude, Cam
Right?
has a thing.
That's a weird basketball taste. Cam Thomas is a bucket.
Huh? I know he's a bucket. Dude. I just don't. Whatever, dude.
All right, all right.
Get me out of this. Get me out of this. Get me out of this.
All right. Thank you so much, guys, for for listening and watching. Follow 5-star radio, Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. See you all next time. See you on March 1 for the Australia game. Hopefully 1-1 laban Pilipinas, Puso, and Brownlee.
the
Sige naman.
group.
Plus, join the group, Facebook page, Facebook group.
Join the group.
See you guys. Peace.
Adios, amigos.
All right, you stop the record.
Oh yeah.
Nico,